Everyone is blending popcorn kernels in the blender after seeing this genius idea. I'll start by adding 2.5 cups of popcorn kernels into the blender and blend until it becomes a fine crumb. Tell me what city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Jessica Miller from Greenville, South Carolina. I'm so glad you're enjoying our recipes. After blending, let's strain everything really well. Tell me what recipe you've made using popcorn kernels. I'd love to know. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of that crumb into a bowl. Then add 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and mix everything really well. I'll slowly add 1 cup of water and knead with my hands until smooth. And before I forget, make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. I'll sprinkle some wheat flour on the table. You can serve it with your favorite sauce. Place the dough on top and roll it out well. I'll use a rolling pin to get a thin thickness. I'll trim the edges of the dough to make it rectangular. With the help of a knife, I'll cut it into strips, then squares, and finally into smaller triangles. This is how the dough should look. In a pan, I'll add oil to cover the bottom. When it's hot, I'll add the dough and fry until golden brown. This is the perfect doneness. Let's take it out of the pan. And if you'd like, you can sprinkle some salt on top. This recipe will become a regular in your home. It's very easy to make, and the result is amazing.